this video we're going to be talking about how to sign up for your Apple Music account. Let's just get straight into the video. Normally, when you already have an iOS device and you've already made a Apple account, then it's most likely that you can simply go ahead and log in with your Apple ID on your Apple Music. However, if you don't have an iOS device and you want to still play Apple Music, you can do it. So open any browser, whatever you like, and then simply go ahead and search for Apple Music sign up, just like that. Okay. You can also simply go ahead and search for login, and on the login page there you can simply go ahead and head straight into the create account tab. And on create account, you want to simply go ahead and enter your email or number that you may have, and then simply go ahead and they're going to send you a verification code to that number or email. Enter that back and then your account will be ready. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you.